This instructional video shows how to service and replace O-rings in the CamTwist family of magnetic breakaways. In front of you are 4 breakaways. On the left is the CTM 75, which is a 3/4 inch conventional breakaway that pulls at 230 pounds of pull force. Next to that is the CTM 75 HD, also a 3/4 inch breakaway, however this pulls at 300 pounds of pull force. The CTM 100 is a 1-inch high-flow truck diesel breakaway that pulls at 300 pounds. And finally a CTM VA, which is a coaxial vac assist breakaway for stage 2 vapor recovery. Directly below each breakaway I have the part number for the kit that would replace the O-rings in each one of these breakaways. In the CTM 75 the part number is 2976. In the CTM 75 HD, the part number is 2978. In the CTM 100, the part number is 2978 also. And finally, in the CTM VA, the part number is 2977. Note, in the vac assist breakaway, there are 3 O-rings in the packet. The small O-ring is specifically for the vapor path. Each packet also contains a small lubricant that is used whenever the O-rings are taken out. Also, petroleum jelly can also be used out in the field. Each breakaway has already been disconnected by 2 wrenches, and I'm going to demonstrate how to change each O-ring, the liquid O-ring and the main dirt seal O-ring. So this breakaway, the CTM 75, there are no serviceable parts in the upper section. In the lower section, there's the main dirt O-ring, which is this large one on the bottom. All you have to do is pinch it and pull it out. There's the replacement one in the kit to put the new one in. A little bit of lubricant whenever there's O-rings involved, and it goes back into the groove. Inside, there's the liquid O-ring. You can reach in with 2 fingers and pinch it. You can see how it pulls away. Using a small pick tool, just reach in, grab that edge of the O-ring and pull it out. There's the old O-ring. Here's the new one. Again, a little bit of Vaseline to lubricate this. It goes on the inside and also goes on the O-ring itself. It's slid back into place, at which point you make sure this is well lubricated. The upper section is ready to be reconnected. Align the 2 flow arrows and the breakaway is together. The second unit is the CTM 75 HD. This unit, again, nothing serviceable in the upper section. The lower section also has the dirt O-ring and it has the liquid O-ring. Again, reach inside, pinch the O-ring, and it'll pull away from the side. Using a pick tool, reach inside, grab the O-ring and pull it away. There's the old O-ring. Here's the replacement O-ring. Again, some lubricant on the O-ring itself and in the main sealing area. The O-ring is put into place. It's in the groove, at which point the 2 sections then can be reconnected. Align the flow arrows and the unit is put back together. The CTM 100, the truck, again, nothing serviceable in the upper section. The lower section has 2 O-rings, the outside dirt and the inside liquid. You can reach inside, pinch that O-ring. Using a pick tool, reach inside, or actually I'll just use my finger. I'll reach inside, you pull it off, and I can take it out with my hands. The replacement O-ring then is taken here. Some lubricant is put onto the O-ring itself and put into the main groove area, at which point the O-ring is replaced into there. The upper section then is taken, the flow arrows are aligned on the breakaway itself, and the unit is reconnected. Finally, the CTM VA. The upper section has a small O-ring that is used for the vapor. It generally doesn't need to be replaced. However, if it does, use a pick tool and pull it out just like we're doing on the bottom. Here's the liquid oil seal. The ring can be pinched. I can reach in, grab that section of the O-ring and pull it out. The replacement O-ring then is grabbed, again, lubricated. The main area is lubricated. The unit is put it back into service. The 2 pieces are aligned correctly and the unit is reconnected. Sometimes when you go to inspect and look to see if the O-ring is in good shape and there's no O-ring in there, if you look down inside and use a pick tool, you can actually see that sometimes the O-ring has become cut and needs to be removed and replaced. Using the pick tool, you can just pull it out. This is typically what you'll see is a small nick in the O-ring which cuts it. Sometimes it actually gets jammed down inside. Make sure you clear that out and take and replace the O-ring by putting it inside and it relubricating, and it's set to go. On the website we have a chart that shows the specific breakaways and which kits go with each one that I've just reviewed, along with all the O-rings that are in there. And that is at catlow.com, www.catlow.com. Any questions, you can always call our customer service group, and they'll be more than glad to help.